When we talk about Operation Dudula, illegal immigration, Amazamazama, illegal mining and everything like that, we usually blame the Africans. We've been saying for the longest time that whenever you see an African doing heavy crime, syndicate level, a European is involved. And even now, Begicele has exposed the biggest scandal in political history. Jacob Zuma Umkhonto weSizwe Party has been funded by this guy up here. You see this guy you can't recognize? He's the guy who's been funding the Zamazamas and also funding Jacob Zuma's party, Umkhonto weSizwe.
There is a guy called LL. I don't know if you know a guy called LL. SC. His name is Louis Leuwenberg. He's a king of Zamazamas. He cleans diamonds and everything. He's millions and millions. He funds MKP.
From my experience, this shouldn't be shocking. Every political party is being funded this way, illegally. There is some legal money, there's some neo-colonialism money, white monopoly capitalism money, and also illegal drugs, Zamazamas, illegal mining. There are so many crimes. Even about DA, Patriotic Alliance, every one of them, even the ANC is doing some illegal activities to garner votes and money from very suspicious characters. So politics is just a dirty game. We've all known this.
ANC on the top. And then, why don't you have a Zulu in the top 7? My goodness gracious, the Nguni group in South Africa, you must recognize and respect as the biggest group and the only one that really has a king that is active. And what did Ramaphosa do? Okay, he introduced him, then he said to him, let's go to the Soccer World Cup.
So what happens now? Are people going to stop voting for Umkhonto weSizwe and Jacob Zuma just because this guy is funding Amazamazamas, the kingpin of Amazamazamas is funding Umkhonto weSizwe? Yeah, it's very hard to contend with this. On my side, I don't know. I don't even know what to think about this situation. It's just corruption after corruption. We know these guys are corrupt. It's just levels now. We're just discovering different ways they are being corrupt. We are still going to discover the creative ways politicians get corrupt. This is just the beginning. The commission will continue.
He paid 500,000 for the case for the private case to be taken to court. I think taking case